Hello and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. This is another property review, so we're on a roll. We're on a roll at the moment, and it's another Stay Blackpool member as well, so you know that this is safe, clean and legal when you turn up for your holiday. So we're going to go and take a look around Barton House today, which is the one that's just at the back of me here, look. And this is on Barton Avenue, which is just past kind of the Manchester corner, so it's nice and central for Central Pier in the central holiday area. So we're going to go inside and we're going to go and take a look at this lovely property. I've not looked around it yet, so I shall be seeing it for the first time with you. Don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've hit the little bell for notifications, and sign up for your Visit Fylde Coast email newsletter. And then next time we go looking at other super properties and places to stay, you'll be able to have a look with us. So you can see how near to the seafront, incredibly near to the seafront, this property is, and it's a traditional Blackpool guest house on 3 floors. It's a lovely little property. It's very nice indeed, and there's on-street parking here, completely free. There's no double yellow lines on the other side of the road. And this is a lovely property which is owned by Denise and Ian. And they have been running it and looking after it for 4 years. They came here in February 2020. And there's the Blackpool approved accreditation. So we're going to go inside and we're going to go and have a look and see what's in. So as I said, it's arranged on 3 floors. There's the staircase there, straight in front of us. Some interesting posters on the wall here. And as you come in, as with most guest houses, there's the dining room on the right-hand side. So this is the first place that you come into. And obviously this is where your lovely, freshly cooked breakfast is served. Beautiful room. We've just been sitting in here having a cup of tea and a natter. And then upstairs on 2 floors are 6 ensuite rooms. So I'm going to go and explore, and we're going to go and have a look round. Because I'm very nosy, you know, it's a bit like through the keyhole, isn't it? So this is the curtain room. This is one of the rooms at the back of the property. That's beautiful. I really like that. Very nice. Oh, look, it's a Wabbit ensuite bathroom. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Look at the exposed brick. That's lovely. And I love these tiles. Shower room. Now, Denise, the owner, is fanatical about being environmentally responsible and environmentally conscious, and I did know that actually before I came here today. So 90% of the products that she uses within the business are environmentally responsible, environmentally friendly. So this is the family room. So there's a lovely little twin bedroom here for kiddies. That's beautiful. I like that. I love the sailing duvet. And there's your toys, look. Toys and something to do when it rains for the kids. So at least you've got something different for them. And then this is obviously the... oh, that's a very big bed. I don't know whether that's a Super King, but that looks very wide. It's bigger than ours. Lovely light fitting. What a beautiful room. That is really nice. That's the Marlborough, if you want to book that one. And again, a nice ensuite bathroom. Oh, what a lovely chair. Please may I have the chair? In fact, that's just lovely. That's really nice. It's all right, you know, looking around all these hotels and guest houses, but it's making me want to decorate. They'll look clean and fresh and beautifully done. Yeah, so 90% of what she uses is environmentally conscious, and she's just been telling me that she's found an environmentally friendly bleach powder, which I think deserves a medal in itself, finding that. So this one is Manton. There's your ensuite bathroom. And oh, look, that's single. Oh, that's a bed settee. I've just realised. That's a bed settee, and this is the bedding to go on the bed settee if you need it. Wow, that's a clever idea. Lovely bedding. Oh, Denise, you're making me want to decorate. That's lovely. That's really nice. 70% of the business that they get here tends to be repeat, which is a good marker of how good it is and how much people enjoy their stays. And people come quite often, 4 or 5 times a year. They enjoy it so much. This is a twin room. So that's twin beds. Look at these little coasters, they're natty. Made from recycled pencils. I could make some of them. I've got lots of pencils. So that's nice twin room, twin beds. There you go, look, this is recycled toilet paper. Comes in these lovely coloured wrappers. It's all beautifully done. And this is Siddington. This must be the 6th one. Oh, that's nice. That's lovely. Oh, I think I'll be going home and saying, Kevin, can we do some decorating? I hate decorating. That is really lovely. What a lovely room. And this exposed brick on this chimney breast gives it a really cosy, homely feeling. I love that. You come round this corner and then you can see properly. That's beautiful. Wowza. All the rooms have also got a fridge, and rather than having, oh, I'm opening it the wrong way. Sorry, fridge. Rather than having plastic bottled water, they use glass bottles, and the milk as well is from a normal milk bottle decanted into a glass bottle, kept in your fridge for your hospitality tray, rather than those silly little plastic cartons that taste a bit odd. Another lovely bathroom. They're also, I tell you, the quality of some of the accommodation in Blackpool is absolutely beautiful, and such lovely taste. That's lovely. Yeah, there's your hospitality tray, look, obviously. They're made up for each guest to come in. Always, if you're booking a holiday, try to book direct, because you'll get the best price and the hotelier will actually get the money that you pay for your holiday, instead of a hefty commission going to an online travel agent. Each time you book with booking.com and people like that, you end up filling the coffers of the online travel agents. Some more memorabilia on the wall here. Not quite sure where that's from. It looks like Speedway. There's the recycling bags, look, and some guest information. And these are all the thank you cards that happy guests have left behind. And I noticed in the dining room as well, this lovely little poster that somebody's done. Thank you for letting us stay. Apparently they'd run out of time to finish colouring it in. So there you go. This is one of the fridges. I'll just show you in here because this one has got water in it. So these are the bottles of water rather than using plastic bottles in line with their environmental policy. So that's what you get when you come to stay. So I hope you've enjoyed that look round. It's fascinating to see all these small businesses all working hard to do the best for the Blackpool tourism industry. All offering really good value for money, all delivering good holidays for families and memories for the future. So if you fancy a break at Barton House, don't forget to mention that you saw it on the Visit Fylde Coast YouTube channel and give us a mention when you ring up to book your room. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. Don't forget, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you've hit the little bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.